Woke up with a sweet tooth, so let's make a cinnamon roll for one. Gonna do it 3 different ways: the microwave, the oven, and the Instant Pot. First, the microwave. Gonna take a tablespoon of butter, get it melted, add half cup of flour, half teaspoon of baking powder, tablespoon of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of milk, and just a pinch of salt. Get that all mixed up. Now get in there with a hand to get it good and mixed up. Either flour your surface really well, or I'm using a piece of parchment paper, dough out on there. If you're living in a small space, I don't expect you to have a rolling pin. I take a canned good and I wrap it in plastic. Works just as well. To about 6 inches wide by 9 inches long. Get it kind of squared up there. 1 tablespoon of softened butter. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Half teaspoon of cinnamon. Get this all mixed up well and spread it out. I'm going to take this and cut this into 3 equal pieces. Gonna roll the first one up nice and tight. Second one, the third. One beautiful roll. Grease our ramekin and pop that in there. Microwave 90 seconds. Mix up the glaze real well. If after 90 seconds your cinnamon roll isn't done yet, continue cooking it in 10-second increments, because as we all know, microwaves vary. And there we go, 1 microwave cinnamon roll. Normally I'd glaze it and eat it right out of the ramekin, but want to show you what it looks like inside. Now let's do an oven version and an Instant Pot version. 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, tiny pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of milk, 1 teaspoon of oil, teaspoon of honey, quick little bloop of vanilla. I'll go ahead and get it out on our parchment. Makeshift rolling pin, 1 tablespoon of softened butter, half teaspoon of cinnamon, and a half teaspoon of sugar. Put that up with our knife and get that spread out and roll this guy up. 1 for the oven, our 1 for the Instant Pot. We're gonna wrap super tight and foil so that no steam can get up in there. Nice and tight, 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 tight. So this one will go in our Instant Pot with 1 inch of water on high for 35 minutes. And then this one, oven 350 for 20 minutes. Here we have it, oven and Instant Pot.